Hi, Cooking with Dad here. Today we'll be making guacamole. There are 6 ingredients to this recipe: avocado, onion, cilantro, jalapeño, lime, and salt. First, cut the avocado in half and remove the pit. Keep in mind that the proportions of the individual ingredients are not as important as the way the ingredients are actually processed together. So you can vary the amount of each ingredient, but the procedure for preparation needs to be followed more closely. One key is to break up the avocados and then whisk the avocado halves, but leave visible chunks of avocado in the mixture. Next, you want to dice some onions, but not too finely, and dice them in an amount of onion that kind of suits your own personal taste. And do the same thing with the jalapeños. Dice those, and you can reduce the amount of heat by just removing the seeds and the white pith that's in the inside of the avocado. And you chop the cilantro, and you can also rough chopping is all you need, and add that to your aromatics, and then squeeze in the lime juice, add some salt, and stir thoroughly to give it a good mix. Finally, gently fold the aromatics into the avocados till it's combined. You're not trying to mash everything together here, you're just trying to fold it together. Test for seasoning, and if you need, add more salt if you need, and then serve. I hope you enjoy guacamole. Cooking with Dad here. Also, check out our website, cookingwithdad.net.